Today I'm gonna try to upgrade the condition of the armrest by putting this artificial leather fabric using the super glue. So stay tuned. As most of the Prius second generation owners know that this armrest, this is very easy to come off, start spilling out, and then I've owned 3 Priuses and all of them had this issue, so I'm gonna try to put this leather glue onto it. So I cut the edges and then super glued all the way around. I had to re-glue the corner parts because it was not as strong enough. It was coming off. So, but you see the hairs right here on the around the edges. But overall, I think I did okay. This material should cost me less than $1 or $2, something like that. So yeah, it's better than I thought. Cool. Bye. Thank you.